Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. So today we are back with another recipe, tamble puddi. This can also be called as a chutney powder. If you are unwell or are lazy to cook, you can have this as a side dish for your meal and it makes your meal a nutritious one. This has a very good shelf life of more than 3 to 4 months or longer if refrigerated. You can also use this as an alternative for pickle. So do try this recipe at home. So let's see how to make this. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please press the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it to get the latest notification from us. To make tamble puddi, the ingredients required are 3 to 4 tablespoons of masool. If you want to learn how to make masool, please check the description box. I have given the link for the soy bajil gesi video in which I have shown how to prepare the masool. Or you can even click the top right corner, the suggested video. 1/4 cup of curry leaves. 1/4 cup of urdi dal. 1/4 cup of chana dal. A small size tamarind and about 1 tablespoon of salt. Firstly, we are going to dry roast the chana dal. Once our chana dal is half done, we are going to add the urdi dal for dry roasting as well. Now add the curry leaves and dry roast them as well. Once we are done with dry roasting, switch off the gas and at that point of time we are going to add the tamarind and salt. Mix the mixture well so that there is no moisture left in any of the ingredients. To a mixer, we are going to add all the dry roasted ingredients and are going to grind until we get a fine powder. In a bowl, add the masool and the grinded mixture and mix them well. Now your tamble puddi is ready. Do try this recipe at home and do let me know on how it was. If you like our video, do not forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. There are few more videos on your screen. Do click and enjoy them as well. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Have a nice day and keep smiling.